So it's time for another unboxing. Just trying to figure out where my lens is on this camera. So I can point my nose at. Let's see, where did that box get to? Look at this. Dun dun dun. I have a pretty good idea what this is. Dun dun dun. These. These are art print sleeves. Sorry, I hit the corner of my phone with my box. So, I sell prints at comic book conventions that are 11 by 17, and so I bought not one but 2 bags because I also work with a bunch of other artists that do them for local theater, and I think we should have a communal bag for prints, because, sleeves, because I know that sometimes the other guys either don't have them or what have you. So there we go. Put a marker on this. Anyway, so that was today's unboxing.